Hi guys, welcome to Rochi Talks. In today's video, I'm giving you another new watch collection. Actually, this is not new. Actually, this is a very long time watch. And this is the watch I got from my brother. Yes, hello brother. I don't know if you remember this watch, but I've been keeping it all these years. So you guys, this is my Swatch collection for you for today. I hope you keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to Rochi Talks. In today's video, this is a Swatch watch collection. So this is just one of those. Okay, and I got this watch from my brother. And when he was working abroad, when he came back to the country, to the Philippines, and he gifted me this watch. Look at that, guys. So he knows that I'm very fond of Swatch watch. So look at that. It's very unique, right? Look at that, guys. It's one of a kind watches. And yeah, I have not been wearing this. It's been a long time, guys, so maybe I should get a battery for this. And yes, it's still working. Look at that, guys. Isn't that wonderful? And I have a small wrist, and the Swatch watches really does fit me, though I have a very tiny, very tiny wrist. But look at that, guys. All these years, look at the metal, the wristband. Is it wristband they call it? And it's stretchable. Yes, and it's very high quality. I'm not so sure where he got this, maybe Malaysia or Singapore, and I think at that time he got a contract from Singapore, I believe. I think this is what he got. I think that's what he bought it from. I'm not sure. So look at the up close and personal. So you got the detail of the numbers. And look at that. So I believe I got this 2000, I'm not sure, 2005, not 2005, 2003, I believe. And how many years ago now? Can you imagine that it still survived? Yes, this still works. And look at the battery. I should have taken the battery all these years, no? Because to keep it alive. I hope the mechanism of this watch doesn't destroy the mechanism of the battery, since I have not replaced this battery. Now I think about it, I should have taken this battery out, but I have no idea. Look at that, guys, the details. This is 2002, 2003. I'm not very sure, you guys. It's been a long time. This was a gift from my brother, and I still keeping it all these years. Or maybe it's 2002. I'm not sure. Oh my god, maybe there is a there, you see that? Probably it's been, I don't know, this is like a moisture, because it's been a while, guys. Yeah, maybe I should try wearing this. I will replace the battery soon. Okay, and for the price for this, I don't know, guys. It's been a while, and I think swatches around Swatch watches probably range from $50 to $100 for, I think, for this kind of watch, I think. So that's my guess. All right, so this is my Swatch watch collection for you today, you guys. Isn't that amazing? It's durable, it's quality, and it still survive. And if you have one of these, you will not regret it, because Swatch watch is just one of a kind, one of the good quality ones. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next collection. See you. Bye.